Want this?
What about that?
First, get your clips ready. Apply frame blending and motion blur to your clips and pre-compose it. After you pre-compose your clips, render your clips as MP3 file and go to the site I gave in the description and get rid of the background noises. Drag your clips here. After processing is finished, press save and select vocals. Now we are rid of background noises. If you want to add text to your edits, you can look at these videos. Add your song and do what I do for the Mark the Beats. Now you can mark your beats easily. When you mark the beats, put the clips according to the beats. And most importantly, add another 10 milliseconds at the end of your clip or you can't make the Twixtor. Apply motion, blur, and frame blending. Now it's time for the zooms. Your graphs should look like this. Apply this to all of your clips. Now it's time for the shakes. Add a shake and do what I do. Add BCC directional blur. Do what I do. Apply this to all of your clips. It's time for the Twixtor. Your graphs should look like this. Now we have our zooms, shakes, and Twixtor, but don't CC. If you want CC like me, join my Discord server in the description. Thanks for watching.